Hi, fifth graders. I'm Mr. Giles. I work here at Lone Hill. I'm not one of the coaches, but what you're about to see are some of the sports that you can be involved in at Lone Hill.